Hello friends, and in this video I will be helping you with the simplifying of rational expressions. So let's start. So before going on to the examples, it's very important to know the go through process. Okay, go through process is very important to have a correct solution for the answer. Okay, you may simplify it without following this procedure, but it may miss out on some of the points. Okay, so if we talk about the go through procedure, first what you need to do is factor numerator and denominator. Okay, in the second what you need to do, find non-permissible values, and in the third what we'll do, divide any common factors. We'll be understanding each of the factors as we will be going through examples. So let's start with the first one. So the step one is factor numerator and denominator. So let's try to factor it out. Okay, so the factor will be 3.7.x.x, right? And in the upon section what we'll have is 5.7.x, right? So you can see for this we have written the factors for the numerator also and for the denominator also. So this is not tough, this is quite easy, right? If you don't know how to find factor, you can watch my video on it. I made a video on that as well. So once you have determined the factors, the next thing you need to do is find the non-permissible values. So non-permissible value is basically in which the denominator is 0. The denominator is turning 0 because it cannot exist, because 1 upon 0 is not determinable. So it should not be 1 upon 0. So we can put 5.5 into 7 into x is equals to 0, right? Or we can say x is equals to 0. So for this equation, x value cannot be 0. With this we can know. Okay, and now what we'll do is we'll follow our third step, that is divide any common denominator. So do we have divide any common factor? We have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this. So we are left with 3x by 5. Okay, so this is the proper process for simplifying rational expression. Now let's do on this. So the first step is factorize. So how we can factorize? We can take common in the numerator, right? So we can actually take 2x common. So we'll be left with x plus 6, and in the upon section we'll be left with 3x, right? So to make denominator not equals to 0, we'll put 3x is equals to 0, or we can say x is equals to 0. So for this equation, the non-permissible value is x should not be equals to 0. Okay, and what we'll do is the step 3, that is cancel out if any common factors are there. So we cancelled, we are left with 2x plus 6 upon 3, and that will be our answer. So this is how you can simplify a rational expression. So remember the 3 steps, that is factor numerator and denominator, find the non-permissible value for which the denominator should not become 0, and third, divide any common factors. Okay, so this was also, if you like the video, please do the like button, do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.